Hi everybody, I'm Mom and welcome to MomDas Life Handmade. Today's video is a decor video where I'm going to show how I'm going to decorate my lanterns for this winter 2020. So I'm going to use my lanterns, some of the items that I already had, and a lot of my DIYs in this decor video. So I'm going to show you step by step my logic behind the decor and how I set up this space with lanterns for this winter. And for all the DIYs that I have here, I'll put the link to those videos in the description box of my video. This video is part of the winter lantern decor collaboration or challenge that is hosted seasonally by Kenya from the channel Kenya's Decor Corner. I'll put a link to Kenya's channel in my description box along with her playlist for beautiful ideas for lantern decor this season, this festival. I'm sure you will enjoy them. To check them out. And if you're new here, please look around in my channel. My channel is about doing lots of DIYs, trash to treasures, high-end dupes, everything related to home within budget. And if you love such content, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button given below the video, and do hit the notification bell and choose the ringing bell icon so that you're notified each time I post my video. And if you love the content of my channel, please share my channel link and videos with your friends and family who you think would love to be creative, that too within budget. So here is the space that I'm going to decorate my lanterns, and I have laid out all the items that I thought I'll be using here. So on this section I have placed a box. This is golden colored box. I use it for storing items in clear view, so it's decorative as well as functional. Over this I have this metallic white lantern with glass, and it has a bulb inside which gives out golden glow. Then this is a DIY high-end tube that I made, an open lantern, and I really like it. I made it this fall. I'll put a link in my description box if you want to make the same. And here are the items that I'm going to use for decor, not him. So this is a cone tree I made last year. These are the two glam trees I did recently. This is a house, winter house, I made in another recent video. This is another lantern I made recently again, I think last month. Two trees again with this one, and then I have this DIY little gifts. These are again in shades of silver to work as pillars for decor, some pine cones, and of course some battery operated candles. And this lantern already has an electric bulb fitting, so it lights up on its own. So these are all the items that I'm going to use here to decorate my winter lantern scape. Now I placed my metallic lantern over the box to get a height. The next, this lantern is at a height lower than this one. So my third lantern comes here and is again a height lower than this. So once the sitting comes, the height is much lower, so it's comfortable to sit, and there is also a pattern maintained. I'm going to place my tree here at the back, another tree with silver shimmer again at the back. My house goes in here. I will have to add lights inside, so I'm keeping it a little shifted onto the base of this lantern so that I can make some space for my shimmering silver tree. Need a few more trees as pillars and to tie up everything together, so one can, or it can go at this point. And the other one, the smallest one, at this corner. Next, because the base is brown in color, I'm also using these codes. They have just little silver touches or some with little golden touches. So I'm going to place them randomly. And last, I'm placing these gifts. So if one can mix different metals, like silver and gold can also be mixed. When mixed beautifully, they really look nice. The setup is ready. The only thing is I need to add the lights. So here are the lights in all the lanterns. All the lanterns have got lights inside. I've put all the battery operated candles and electric lights on. I can even add more lights to it in form of fairy lights if I feel like. And I think for now this looks a beautiful setup. At the last moment I remembered I also have some silver bell ornaments. I added them here and I think they are adding a beautiful silver touch here, balancing the gold out there. I think I have done quite a good effort. Do let me know what you think about my effort in setting up these lanterns for the winter decor. I think I'm liking this simple, beautiful, elegant setup. It's modern, farmhouse, and I just love it. It's so wintry, it's fresh. I really like the combination of wood and white and gold and silver. This is really pretty. Do let me know your thoughts, what you think about my today's decor. If you like this video, please give your thumbs up, share this video, and if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all very soon in my next video with a DIY. Until then, stay positive, be creative, and be happy. Thank you everybody. Thank you so much.